In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the search bar at the top of your emails in Outlook. Whether you're organizing your inbox or simply trying to find that one elusive message, having quick access to the search function can be a real time saver. If you're using the classic version of Outlook, the steps I'm about to share will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, if you're not already, make sure you're in the classic view of Outlook. You can tell you're in Classic if the layout looks like the traditional desktop application rather than one of the newer, streamlined web versions. Once you're set in the Classic view, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the File option. Clicking on this will open a menu that provides access to various settings and configurations within Outlook. From the File menu, navigate to Options. This section is essentially your command center for customizing Outlook to suit your needs. It's where you can tweak everything from your mail settings to calendar preferences. Once you're in Options, look for Customize Ribbon. This option allows you to change what you see on the ribbon, which is the toolbar at the top of Outlook with all your tools and commands. Next, within the Customize Ribbon section, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Choose Commands From. Click on this drop-down, you'll see a list of categories from which you can customize your Outlook features. Choose Tool Tabs from this list. Tool Tabs is the area where you can add different functionalities to your ribbon, organizing your workspace in the most efficient way for your workflow. Once you have selected Tool Tabs, take a careful look at the options that appear. Find Search in the list. It might be a little bit further down, so it's okay to scroll patiently until you locate it. When you find Search, select it and then click Add. This action will effectively incorporate the search feature into your ribbon setup. You're almost there, just a couple more clicks to wrap things up. After successfully adding search, go ahead and click OK to save your changes. By doing so, you confirm all these modifications and the Outlook interface will update with the newly added search tool. You should now see the search bar in the view. It's usually positioned at the top of your email list, providing easy access whenever you need to locate an email quickly. That's it. You've successfully added the search bar at the top of your emails in Outlook, making your navigation and email management more efficient. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother email searching experience.